regard communicating the revised guidelines to be issued by the AICT in due course. Accordingly, all colleges, institutions are directed to display this information in their website and also communicate
payment of salary and this thing for faculties. Chief secretaries of all state universities, including reimbursement of the fee to that college and the institution.
RV college hinge agittu, we filed a petition and there is a direction that if you don't pay salary, the double. Then they came up with a memo, salaries are paid.
Now, what is that relief you have sought?
Only the salary, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Will dispose of that.
Will not kindly grant me a week's time. Finally,
No, if you are paying that, I will grant that time.
I will file this affidavit.
What is that affidavit you want to file? Even if you are assuming that you have suffered a loss, can I reduce here?
Not 14
This court has such a power.
Lord, there was no funds at all for us to pay.
What
will
can
I
I
pay,
do,
please,
Mr.?
Lord?
We have to be there to see that there is a circular directions.
Lord,
We have to comply that.
I understand there should be a balance between both of us. They don't consider our.
Yes, Mr. Government Advocate. You don't.
Complaint, my lord, we will take action against college.
Yes, we will direct it to take action.
A
Is
week's time.
university, who is appearing for university?
Santosh Nagara idare.
Is a, see, yesterday due, so how, what is that amount, Mr.?
3,80,000.
Yeah, in engineering college. 3
14
lakhs.
crores due div city.
No, you settle first this petitioner. We are not coming for the
2
other.
and 3, my lord, both the AICT and
Otherwise, we
then
will direct them to take.
Visheshraya.
I will.
See, engineering college, if you are ready
that-
to pay next week, I will grant
I
that.
will find out.
You
I kindly
verify,
take it.
otherwise we will dispose of this matter
Certainly.
to direct. Yes,
Next
leave this
Thursday it
matter
will be taken.
24th, Wednesday. Yes, at the
25th,
request
my
of council for,
25th.
not 25th, 24th.
Totally 14 hearing ಆಗಿದೆ.
The request of council for respondent number. You see what we can do that if the salary,
Obliged.
that to 3 lakhs rupees.
Lord.
Yes,
Serial number 21, Vijay Reddy DV.
For the petitioner, my lord.
yes.
This is regarding, my lords, on false charges, my lords. An inquiry was conducted, joint inquiry was conducted, my lord. And a penalty order was imposed, my lords.
Issue notice for second
Notice
time.
is to shoot for third respondent, local.
Second time.
Process,
Process we have taken, my lords.
but she doesn't disclose any data. ಏನ್ ರೀ ಇದು?
We have taken.
Who is third respondent?
ಅರ್ಬಟ್ಟಿ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
Lokaಯುಕ್ತ,
ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತ.
Mr. Arbitty.
ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತನ? ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಅರ್ಬಟ್ಟಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. Venkatesh Arbatti is directed to take notice for respondent number 3.
It is also covered by
Council
judgment, my
for
lord.
petitioner is
No,
directed to
process
serve one
ನೋಡೋಣ
set of
ಅಂತ
copies. Yes, you copy ಕೊಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ, ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನಂತ.
Please, my lord.
ಅರ್ಬಟ್ಟಿ, Venkatesh Arbatti.
Please,
Yes.
and date may fix, my lords, because he is 77 years old, my lords. Pensionary benefits have been
10th
absent.
October, yes.
Date may-
Hearing interlocutory application matter, serial number 22, Ashok GV.
On the last day, the management had proposed a settlement where they offered that she'll be paid the back wages as per the last drawn salary in 2013. We are not agreeable to that because, my lord, if they give it statement order, I'll be getting more than 3.5 crores. The difference is very huge. I've already got an order today. So, my lord, if they are able to propose something better, probably we can.
I think
can
my
put
learned
together-
friend has not understood, my lords. The proceeding,
No,
she will get
see,
her 1 year.
later, after deciding. Now, you have in a service of how many years?
2 more, my lords.
2 more, service of how many years?
2 more, my lords.
2 more,
2 more years.
2 more years.
1 year, 1 year.
Here
1
she
year.
is 1 year.
1 year,
1 year.
they will pay that salary for 1 year.
I agree.
You take the salary and keep quiet. After deciding this case, if you succeed, they will pay whatever you are
No, my
entitled.
lords, the
Please,
only
if
issue
that
is
is the case, then-
reinstatement. That is reinstatement. That is an independent cause of action. She claims she should be an associate professor. I say that she is not qualified to it. That has to be tried. She will have to initiate independent proceedings. I will, at those proceedings, reveal as to why she is not
No,
entitled.
here you have terminated her. On what
Yes,
basis?
Terminated or on person to a disciplinary action.
Disciplinary action initiated for what? That
That,
she is not
uh,
qualified.
No, no, my lords. That there were some lapses in her employment. There are a lot of complaints from students, and therefore we let go of her services. She challenged it.
No, that by, this is regarding qualification and all is not the issue.
No,
here.
no, no, no. It was not the issue.
Issues are there.
That was
First,
not
what
the
they
issue.
do is they terminate me saying that I had conducted certain program through the college. In the program, they claimed that I had misappropriated certain funds. They did the inquiry, found out that it was not so, but still terminated me. I came before your lordships. I was reinstated back. They withdrew this entire thing, reinstated me back. Then, my lords, after a few months, they started a problem where they said that I do not have the qualifications to teach in so and so subject, but they put me in a subject where I don't have the qualification. Then they concoct certain documents to say the students have given feedback saying that they have complaints against me. It is not an anonymous feedback because anonymous feedback says 95% approval. It's a specific feedback by each of the students. It's been signed saying that I'm not able to teach properly. At that time, they terminate me saying that I'm not qualified. I've received so many complaints. Therefore, terminate you.
Reinstatement.
Reinstatement.
What else you are required? Only reinstatement.
That's all.
My lord, reinstatement and the back wages, because my lord, from 2013 till 2022, when the interim order was passed, the amount that has to be paid to me has not been paid to me.
No, what is the directions of the EAT?
To pay the back wages, no interest, nothing. And I had to be taken quite some time back, which means.
What about that back wages, Mr. Giri?
We have paid. According
told
to her,
that-
we are on an application for early hearing. Yeah, I can pay the salary for the entire year, which is upcoming. And
He
then
is
she will
not
have to
agreed. We'll
challenge.
hear
If
that
it is
matter.
not agreeable, my lord, so then
Yes.
there is no urgency in the matter. There is an interim order in which
The
she is
only
getting her
urgency I will
salary.
point out, my lord, it's actually not what they have pointed out, that I'm superannuating, therefore I have an urgency. That is not the case. While obtaining the interim order, the submission which was made by the management is, there is no such post which is existing as on date.
If
I
that is
cannot
the-
give it,
No.
but I now see that post is existing, my lord.
No, I'm saying that if that is the issue for your termination, that will decide.
Please.
Otherwise, what are the issues on termination, that has to be decided is correct or not.
That is an issue for that is an issue for reinstating me, because they refuse to reinstate me as an interim order also in that same post, saying that post does not exist anymore. But I find in their own website the post is existing. Now, my lord, if I'm superannuating,
No,
that
you-
entire question will become useless.
Why?
That question will never arise, because after superannuation, where is the question of reinstating me in that post?
No.
And that
after-
point of reinstating me in that post.
No.
and that
after-
point will never
no,
arise.
After superannuation,
Please, ma'am.
this court will say that termination is wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you are entitled for all arrears, which is according to law, you are entitled. That's
Yes,
what
ma'am.
that will be there.
Yes, yes.
Now, if it is decided today,
Yes.
you will work and earn. If it is decided after retirement, without work will earn. That's all.
I completely
My
bow
lords,
down to that.
That
For
means-
almost a decade, I have been paying the salary without her working. It is another 1 year. We have said we will pay. Then the question of this petition being continued also may not
Let
arise.
us see, if they are not agreed, then we will hear.
Please.
This matter.
My humble request, my lord, that it may be still taken up basis the application.
Yes.
Because
No.
tomorrow, if this question never arises, I am not able to argue this
No,
question.
we'll, post-
Cell number 23, Mukkanappa SP for petitioner, connected matter. CS Ravi Shankar.
Yes.
But these matters, the state, my lords, has filed an application for vacating
Sir,
state.
before that, my lord, that on the last occasion, I made a submission. On 19/11/2021, my lord, this court earlier, my lord, as matter was heard and there is a direction. That has not been complied with because they are expected to, my lord. Your
What is
lordship
the
kindly
direction?
see the order sheet dated 19/11/2021.
Yes. What is the order sheet? Order sheet dated?
Lord, 19/11/2020, main matter, my lord, that 2017 matter.
19/11?
19/11/2021, 19/11/20. Repetition number 58330 of 2017. Next.
Yes. Yes. What is this read?
The learned AGI is directed to get instruction as to whether the post of a coach is available under the recruitment rules of the state youth services And also as to whether the petitioner is appointed against a sanctioned post, learned AJ is also directed to get the undertaking given by the petitioner in pursuance of their appointment order, wherein they are required to furnish undertaking to the effect they will serve anywhere in the Karnataka. This is, the crux of the issue is this. They are all, my lord, that the coaches appointed on contract basis on a consolidated salary. We are not holding any, my lord, neither we are a civil servant nor holding any civil post. Therefore, my lord, this mass transfer has been effected. My lord, when they were working a contract employee,
AJ is directed to get undertaken given by the
government
petitioner in
advocate
the
is
pursuance.
directed to secure the records and place it before the court.
No, government said that you are given undertaken.
Yes.
Let us see now
After,
what.
Lord, so far as the present petitions are concerned, our submission is this. After that order was passed, we have filed, my lords, our statement of objections. We have completed the
No, now
pleadings.
the question is only
Lords,
on
not
merit, whether temporary employee can be transferred.
transferred, my lords. Not only that, I have given annexure R3 to show that annexure R3, my lords, that
Which petition you are referring?
my lords, we are referring to, but 58330 of 17, which is the oldest petition. But my lords, my submission today is this. The merits need not be gone into in view of the fact, my lords, 2017, my lords, they are all sports coaches. My lords, I have different hostels, I have stadiums. In hostels, my lords, I have athletes, my lords, who come and enroll there. In hostels as well as there are day athletes, my lords, who come and train.
Yes.
Now what happens, my lords, is they are coaches in different sports. Based on the requirement in a particular place, I have to post them. Based on a requirement in a particular discipline, I have to post there. 2017 alli, I have transferred 54 petitioners at that point in time based on the requirement then. There was an interim order of stay. They continued. Today, my lords, even if this petition is dismissed on merits, I don't want them there because subsequent requirement has changed. And in the meantime, out of 54 people, 14 have retired. One person, my lords, is dead. One person has resigned.
Yes,
Out of 54, my lords, 14 have retired.
first matter.
In the first matter. 14 have retired, one person is dead, and one person has resigned. So totally, my lords, we have 38 people working as on date. Even today, if this order is upheld, I don't require this order to be implemented. What I did thereafter, my lords, what is based on the requirement, 21 alli, 20, my lords, in 21, I transferred, my lords, in 21, I issued another transfer order in respect of the same people. They have got a stay. My respectful submission is all these petitions have become infructuous. They may be disposed of as infructuous without keeping the legal questions open. 25 petitions only we will argue it. Otherwise, my lords, what has happened is 25 petition only when they were able to persuade my lords to grant an interim order. Kindly see this order that was been passed.
Following this judgment.
2017 in the stay then it is easy for them, my lords, to come before this court when old petitions are pending. Kindly see the order. Third paragraph. Learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that earlier the respondents had passed similar orders transferring the petitioners to different places. The said transfer order has been challenged before this court in WP number so and so. This court had granted an interim order 26/12/2017. When the said interim order is in operation and the writ petition is pending, again similar orders have been passed so and so. Hence,
2025 writ petition.
please, my
In
lords.
respect of the same petitioner.
In respect of 3 of them, our 25 ಗೆ ನನಗೆ 3 ಜನದ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಇವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ I think they are there, my lords. One few ಇದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, 3 ಜನ ಇದಾರೆ. Now, my lords, what happens is I require them to go to a different place in 17. ಈಗ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನನಗಿಲ್ಲ. 21 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ.
Now, as per this first matter,
Please, my lords.
you have asked them to go different place that you are not implementing present.
That I am not implementing because I cannot implement after 8 years because that requirement is rendered itself infructuous.
Yes.
Same
Now-
thing happened.
Now that only you want to implement that order passed in 2025.
2025. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
That
ನಾನು
will-
ಅದು ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಾನು ವೆಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು. But what they are doing is only because this
I
petition.
understood.
Please.
Yes, now
And
this.
the question is this, my lord. In all these petitions, whether these petitioners are liable to be transferred.
No, now this transfer order, they are not going to implement in this petition. What is your grievance?
No, my submission is this, your lordship, kindly see me, lord. Now, they say because what happened,
Now your case is that you have been transferred. Now they are saying that you will not be disturbed from this place now. If they want to transfer, you can challenge it. I will give that liberty. What else you want that?
no, my respectful submission
Yes,
is
I
tomorrow,
understood.
once again, this issue, my lord, the issue crux
Will
of the
decide
issue is
wherever that,
whether, my lord, whether these employees are liable to be transferred.
that will
Whether
decide.
they have got
That-
the power to transfer.
That left that question left
Questions will
open.
be left open.
Will decide in this case, this issue will not be arises because they are not implementing that transfer order. That's all that. Yes, thoroughly. In these writ petitions, petitioners are called in question. Transfer order passed by respondent state. Learned additional advocate general outside submitted that. Out of how many members? Out of 54 members, how many has retired? 14.
One is dead and one has resigned.
14 is retired. 14 is retired, huh? Hmm. One is dead. One is resigned. Remaining is 38 petitioner. He submitted that transfer order has been passed in the year 2017. Due to efflux of time, the respondent will not implement that transfer order. Learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that. Petitioner has raised a question regarding, has raised the question that temporary employee cannot be transferred. The question will be left open, will be decided in appropriate case. Since this state government is not implementing the transfer order because of efflux of time, the writ petition is disposed of, has become infructuous. Yes, which is that next matter?
Same order goes in 21 petition as well as 22.
Where is 25?
25 ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನ beginning start.
Yes, there will decide that whether, no, then whether is there any contract between you and petitioner? Yes. Now that if there is any first transfer order is passed, this petitioner, liberty is reserved to challenge same before this appropriate legal forum. Yes.
Same order in the other petitions.
Same.
Order change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Same order in other petition, but other ಇದನ್ನ record ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. Retired death ಬೇಡ. In view of the efflux of time, submission is made by the TAG in efflux of time. They will not implement that order. In view of that, it become infructuous. Liberty is reserved if there is any. Yes. All pending applications are disposed.
Grateful notes.
All pending applications are disposed.
Grateful notes.
24, Arun TM for petitioner.
Lords, I appeal the petitioner in this matter.
Yes.
My lords, the matter has to be remanded back to Education Appellate Tribunal. Because of this reason, my lords, he was dismissed, terminated from service simpliciter, and then he filed an appeal before the Education Appellate Tribunal. Then during the course of the proceedings before the tribunal, I filed a memo. My lords may kindly turn to Annexure D, page 35.
Yes.
Memo, I filed this memo. It's a question of law. Matter may be heard and disposed of anta. That page 35 ಇದೆ.
EAT has dismissed as not maintainable.
ಅಲ್ಲ, EAT merit ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
You said that.
ಮೆಮೊ ಮೇಲೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಮೆರಿಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Now, where is the termination order?
ಅಲ್ಲ, kindly see memo at page 35.
35.
Page 35.
Yes. Wait. Let him. Wait. Let him see what is that 35. Yes.
Page 35. Memo.
Yes.
The undersigned submit that the appellant has raised pure question of law in the above appeal. That appellant has contended the action of the respondents in terminating the appellant under section 99 of the Karnataka. Adರಲ್ಲಿ, on the date when I filed the memo, respondent is counsel absent. Call on for respondent evidence by 9/3/2024. Then 9/3 leave it nodi. Advocate for respondent is present and filed memo. Advocate for petitioner pays time. Then is present and filed memo. Advocate for petitioner pays time. Then 23/3/2022, advocate for appellant has filed objection to memo. Call on for hearing on memo by 6/4/2002. Then kindly skip to 1/6/2022, same page. Both sides counsel are present. Heard arguments on respondent side on memo. Advocate for appellant praise time. Then your lordship may kindly skip to 22/6/2022.
Yes.
Advocate for appellant present, heard arguments on appellant side. Advocate for respondent praise time. None reply ge. Then kindly turn to 1/7/2022. Respondent and counsel absent, no representation. Call on for respondent side hearing on memo. Then 22/7/2022 at page 44. Both councils are present, heard argument, call on for orders by 4/8/2022. ಅದು ಮೆಮೊ ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ಗೆ. He has passed orders on merit 4/8/2022. That order is at annexure A. ಮೆರಿಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಮೆಮೊ ಮೇಲೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಮೆರಿಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Now that why it is not maintainable?
My lord,
What is wrong in that order passed on merit, mister? Is there any?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮೆರಿಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಐ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್. ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ has said education and appellate tribunal has got power to decide these matters. Technical objection raise ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
Yes,
Section
here on the merit itself.
No. ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಂಟ್ರಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ನನ್ನ ಫೇವರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಂಟ್ರಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆ ನನ್ನ ಫೇವರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
My lord, earlier I was dismissed from service without inquiry. It went before the EAT, an order reinstate with full back wages was allowed.
Here
My lord, may just request, please, without salary, my lord, despite the order of reinstatement, let the last one salary be paid.
No.
File an application for that.
My lord, I have filed application for vacating.
Vacating has been filed, then matter requires to be final hearing. From 2024, your applications.
My lord, that cannot be an absolute interim order, my lord.
That
That
is-
is an order to reinstate full back wages.
Yes.
My lord, your lordship may put them on terms. My lord, I am to expect to survive despite an order in my favor. My lord, something like 17 weeks. Let the last one wages be paid, my lord, as an interim measure.
See, we'll hear and dispose of the matter itself. From 24, interim order is operating. We'll fix the
My
date,
lord, I have filed this, my lord, long ago.
but for 1 year, it is pending. Now you are insisting
I
that.
am not at fault, my lord. I moved it several
Yes,
occasions, and finally I filed an early hearing application since the matter was not being posted.
Yes.
My lord, it is without employment, without salary. That your lordship may protect. When,
Yes.
my lord, there is an interim
Release
order.
this matter on 9th October. We'll hear that matter on that itself.
My lord, let there be an interim order on.
Please,
salary, my lord. Yes.
No. Now, for any modification, we have to hear that application for vacating. It is nothing but for hearing the final matter. Whether only.
My lord, I would submit, my lord, in a labor matter. My lord, if there is a reinstatement with full back wages, my lord, last round salary, my lord, is paid as an interim measure.
But here, if you succeed, you will get back everything.
My lord, I have to survive, my lord. A teacher without employment, they reinstate and dismiss on the same day.
Yes, we'll hear that on point whether that's maintainable or not before the TAT. On 9th. Release
Please,
this
ma'am.
matter on 9th October. Yes. Which is that judgment, mister? Is it not maintainable?
There is no judgment. This is.
My lords, Mayo College of Supreme Court. Mayo
Yes,
College.
that is the only point. If you are convinced that, then it need not be send it back. Yes.
Cell number 25, Ishan.
I appear for the petitioner, my lords.
Yes.
My lords may kindly recollect this matter where entry of service, my lords, is wrongly entered in this seniority list. And therefore I have had directed respondent number 11 was unserved.
Yes,
So
yes.
my lords had directed the respondent number 11 to be served
Yes.
through the board.
You are representing the respondent number,
Representing respond number 68 in my lords.
this notice has been served to which respondent? 17?
11, my lords. Respondent number 11.
Yes. Now
Now all are served and
What is the point, mister?
my lords may kindly see annexure Z at page 114.
Yes.
Petitioner, my lords, is Mr. C. Girish. He was appointed as first division assistant accountant.
Yes.
My lords may kindly come to the operative portion of the order at page 115 bottom. He was given retrospective appointment with effect from 4/5/2016 on 28/7/2021
For whom?
for Mr. Girish.
Yes.
This is pursuant to the order passed by a coordinate bench of this honorable court. That order, my lords, will get it at page 102, annexure Y.
Yes.
The operative portion of the order, my lords, is at 113.
What is the direction?
The direction, my lords, is that set aside the endorsement and directed the board to pass appropriate orders. Pursuant to this direction, annexure Z came to be passed.
Yes.
Now that has attained finality. 4/5/2016, my lords, is the date of entry into service.
4/7?
4/5/2016.
Yes.
My lords may kindly see annexure G, page 50. 2016. If that is to be considered, then I have to be placed between 3 and 4.
Now, what is the note? Next page, next column?
That note, my lords, they say in terms of the order of the government 26/12/2022, they, which has no relevance to me at all.
Yes, why he has been,
Even in their
date of entry is-
statement of objections, nothing is forthcoming.
What is the disposal?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ basically.
No, what is that disposal means? What is that relief you have sought, Mr.?
Now I have sought, my lords, the in so far as the seniority list have to be placed 4 in that seniority table.
Seniority notified by the second respondent. Where is that, this thing? Earlier order passed by this court.
This
Earlier round.
that what they have done, my lords, is this is a compassionate appointment. I was a BCom graduate.
Yes.
I was appointed as a first division assistant accountant.
Yes,
By the I had completed my probation period also.
yes.
Then suddenly they downgraded me, saying that I had not completed the degree. That endorsement was challenged before this honorable court. This honorable court set aside the endorsement and asked the board to pass appropriate orders. Pursuant to that, my lords, Annexure Z, page 114 came to be passed. In terms of
14.
that, my lords, is the order passed by the board saying that I am appointed as first division assistant accountant.
From
Retro
2016.
to service, my lords, cannot be disputed now. To service, my lords, cannot be disputed now.
As per the directions issued by this court on 11/9/2025, notice to respondent number 11 is served through respondent number 2 board. To that effect, counsel appearing for respondent board has filed in a memo. Same is taken on record. Notice to respondent number 11 is held sufficient.
Your lordship.
Yes, madam, you are appearing for?
Respondent number 18, your lordship.
What you say?
May I request for tomorrow, your lordship, there's some inconvenience.
What is that tomorrow? What is that you want to say? Only that board has to say. Who is that counsel? Wakalat hakidara?
They have filed wakalat.
My lords, we have filed wakalat. Respondent
Yes,
18.
madam.
There is some network issues, my lords. There is some network issue. My
You are
senior-
appearing for whom?
Respondent number 18 only, my lords. She is
Respondent
missing.
number-
Respondent number 18 is the only respondent who is
Yes,
represented
what
by
is
a
your
counsel.
submission, Mr.?
My lords, we want to file objections, so time may be granted, my lords.
No, only thing is that board has accepted that his appointment is 2016.
Yes, my lords.
This court is also directed, they have accepted.
Yeah,
Only passing in a seniority list, his date has been shown as 22 instead of 2016.
Yes, my lords.
That has to be modified by that board, has to be reconsidered.
Okay, my lords.
I can dispose of. Yes, who is?
May I
Who is
request
the-
tomorrow, your lordship? There's some
Yes.
inconvenience today. May I request for tomorrow?
Leave this matter at the request of respondent number
18, my lords.
18. You are appear, you are both are 18
Yes, my
Yes, your
lords.
lordship. There's some
Leave this matter
VC.
on 24th.
Yes,
If
my
you
lords.
want to say anything, you say that. Yes.
Much obliged, my
What is
lords.
the only address?
Rupesh
grateful.
appeal for petitioner.
Where is the Rupesh? None appear for the petitioner. You have filed an IF for vacating. Yes, what is this, mister? No, you have filed it in 2023. Is there any urgency now? We'll hear that matter. Hmm. Hmm. Yes. Hmm. 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 No, you are coming from a different department. Hmm. ಹುದ್ದೆಗೆ ಹಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಲಿ ಸ್ಥಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಕ್ಕಿಸಿ ಕಂಪನಿ ಆಡಳಿತ ತಕ್ಷಣದ ಜಾರಿಗೆ ಬರುವಂತೆ ಅವರ ಹೆಸರಿನ ಮುಂದೆ ಸೂಚಿಸಿದ ಸ್ಥಳಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಆದೇಶ ತಾತ್ಕಾಲಿಕವಾಗಿ ನಿಯೋಜಿಸಿ ಆದೇಶಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. You are in the same department. Same department, can it be deputation? Yes, Mr. Government Advocate. What is that meaning of deputation? It is from, there is a two different department. There is borrowing and this thing. They are using that word. ನಿಯೋಜನೆ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, but it is not in a deputation. Only from two different departments deputation will come. What is this, madam? Is it? No, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ದು ಇಬ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಶಿಕಾರಿಪುರದಲ್ಲೇ, ಶಿಕಾರಿಪುರದಿಂದ ಶಿಕಾರಿಪುರನೇ ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಬೆಸ್ಕಾಮ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಬಟ್ ನೌ ದಟ್ now that 23, 24, 25, 9th February 25, now he has completed 2 years. Even if it is taken as a transfer, he has taken entry matter here. He has continued that place. Now he has completed 2 years. On that ground it has to go. You have to argue on that point. Where is that other side? No, that is the one. Even assuming that it is a transfer, he has completed 2 years. Because on 9, 2 years. 2 years, ನಿಮ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್? 2 years. Yes. Yes. Now where is council? Rupesh. Day after tomorrow. None appear for vacate that entry matter. None appear for the petitioner to one more chance leave this matter day after tomorrow.
Serial number 27, Ramachandra.
Lord, in 27, my lord, I make one submission, my lord. Last date of occasion, my lord, I have made one submission saying that fund nurses, my lord. That I have to place that the policy, my lord, what the meaning of.
Your lordship, but dismiss, or I make it.
Now why it is posted today?
Lord, there is a
counsel issued by the Sun Court, reserving 1 or 2 posts of staff nurses for consideration of the case of petitioner from out of 600 posts that were to be filled by the second respondent. He submitted that the respondent may be directed to keep 1 or 2 posts reserved as been stated in the recommendation dated 15/2/2019 made by the second respondent to the first respondent. State government it is further
ಆಯ್ತು ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅವ್ರು
ಇದ್ರ
ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್
ಮೇಲೆ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಟ್ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ there was a writ appeal now came to be dismissed.
ಆಯ್ತು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸರ್ಕಾರದವರು
ಇನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅವ್ರು
This is
ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್
also
ಮಾಡಿ
similarly placed employees. This is to be regular order is to pass as stated in the
yes, Mr.
Lord,
and also
last date of occasion,
observation must
last
be
date
in
of
the
occasion,
written.
Lord, I am not disputed these judgments, my Lord. What I am disputed only that if my Lord can see that page number 211, my Lord.
yes
Either it may be the petitioner in this judgment, my Lord, or the petitioner before this court in the present writ petition, my Lord.
yes
I asked that I want a clarification regarding that, my Lord. There were only 102 posts were kept vacant by this honorable court order, my Lord.
yes
That I asked that the respondent to BMRC to submit that whether that 102 posts are still vacant or it has to be adjusted or it is that a clarification goskara ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ ಟೈಮ್
see out
ಈಗೂ
of
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು
to keep 1 or 2 posts
not post vacant because the earlier occasion, my Lord, these petitions went before this honorable court.
earlier they have approached how many ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ
Totally 169 were.
169
169.
this court has directed to keep post only 1 or 2
1 or 2 plus 67 also because they are not in benefit of entry model also. Totally
so
169.
otherwise further vacancies would have been occurred, therefore that interest of this no what totally 169 post has to be kept vacant this as per the directions of this court.
Lord, that judgment will
This
say
is the vacant list matter.
wait ತಡೀರಪ್ಪ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇಳತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ
Lord, what that matter 211 it says that 1 or 2, my Lord. That judgment is very clear because the respondent to BMRC has kept vacant that 1 or 2 post. Because of that reason, these petitions were continued that position. But these petitions were before this court, they said that we are in parity with those employees who
I
are
am
working.
asking that 1 or 2 is already crashed or not.
ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೇನೆ ಆ BMRC ಒಂದು ಇದು ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅವ್ರು ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ
That's 1 or 2 plus
ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ
that's 1 or 2 plus
that
you
is
read
if
that
that is
paragraph.
clarified then that is covered by judgment.
yes if there is any still that post is vacant
It cannot be crossed 1 or 2 ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ petitioner
25 now 169 matter.
ಈಗ ಈ petitioner
ಈಗ as on the this
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
169 ಅಂತ there is any vacancy
vacancies are there.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ
ಖಾಲಿ ಇದ್ದ ಹುದ್ದೆಗಳು ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್
ಇಲ್ಲ ಆ ವೇಕೆನ್ಸಿ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
wait
214 this pertains to 9/6/2025.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು
ಈ ಪೇಜ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಜ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್
ಖಾಲಿ ಹುದ್ದೆ
ಟೋಟಲಿ 894
ಇಲ್ಲಿ 214 posts are pending.
ಖಾಲಿ ಹುದ್ದೆ 214 you verified this
that only ಅದು actually BMRC
ಒಂದು ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡಿ.
second respondent has to be
who is appearing for second respondent
ಅವರು ಮಾರಿ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಅವರು ಇವ್ರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿ ಗವರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಅವರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಗವರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್
no now that vacancy we want to know if there is any vacancy then that judgment is
Number 28, Satisha TK for petitioner, TP Muttanna.
28. I'm for the petitioner. Press time ಅಲ್ಲ advocate on record advocate relation ತೀರೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
one time
next week.
You have filed an vacating. Yes, what is this matter, Mr. Transfer order. What is the transfer? Yes. TP Muttanna Learned Council, public sector bank manager with the third respondent. About 2.5 years she was given birth child of so and so. That the present petitioners because transferred to the HOD Kerala notwithstanding the guidelines that women employed must be accommodated to the extent possible place when is working. Yes, is there any circular saying that a woman has to be accommodated where their husband is working?
General circular government is there, my lord. Transfer policy, that's also included in the transfer policy.
Where is that?
Transfer policy,
R1, you are along with that objection.
The last remaining thing, page number 12, madam. She working as a manager. Page number 12.
Page number 12.
First, generally, the transfer of officers from one place to another can be considered only after completion of 3 years in the branch, office, except on professional regulars. That's one. Number 3, all officer is liable to be transferred outside the region and upon completion of a bank transfer. Now, this case comes under this circle seniority. Here, my lord, the person who has worked for more than 8 years. Now they say 10 years. Now she has completed 10 years.
No, that is not their grievance. Their grievance is that she has given birth to the child.
Yes, there, my lord, that now
Is there any working as a manager? 2.5 years, she is giving birth to a child month of. Now, Mr. Now that child is become 5 years now. She has given birth in the 2020.
Officers and managers, now she is manager. Now they have to, in the same branch, they can be for 3 years. Now, any person working here in Bangalore, a person who has come from Chennai, he is here for 3 years. After the transfer policy, after 3 years, they have can request for the transfer, they have to be accommodated to the same place. Now, what happens now? This is the case where she has completed 10 years. So, this is inter-circle transfer, one circle to another circle. Bank has got about 18 circles. One circle to another transfer. What is the promoter policy? One person, the person, let's say, a person from Andhra Pradesh. After completing 3 years, he requests for Bangalore. So Bangalore, depending upon the seniority in the circle, one person has to be transferred to Andhra Pradesh. Now,
What is that representation?
My lord, shall I make a copy? My lord, these petitioners are the Group C and Group D employees. One minute. Let me complete, Mr. Sinha.
I thought really, yes.
Petitioners are the Group C and Group D employees. Their services was regularized 20 years back. My lord, the respondent number 123, who was the BBMP, has not prepared a senior list even after repeated representation. In 2023, they have prepared a senior list without following any yardstick by pick and choose method. I have challenged that senior list prepared by the respondent in the earlier round of litigations. Page number 144, Annexure G. This Honorable Court, by its order dated 5th September 2023, allowed the writ petition and directed the BBMP to do afresh. Considering that, my lord, para number 9, my lord, para number 6, page number 162. Despite the fact the petition was regularized in 2007 and 2012, the date of entry into service in the senior list is indicated as 26/9/2016.
ಆಯ್ತು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ನಾನು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಅವ್ರು ಸಹ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಏನೋ ಬಂದು ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನನಗೇನು ಕಾಪಿ
ಆಯ್ತು. Why that you are not filing any contempt? Everybody is coming.
ಅದೇನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಟೈಮ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಿಂದ I could not file contempt.
Now you have prepared the seniority list.
Yes.
Yes, they have prepared it.
But they have not given.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. I will record is their statement and dispose. Now is only direction is to prepare the seniority list. Now you have prepared it. If there is any grievance, let him challenge that seniority list.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ seniority list ಎಲ್ಲಿ prepare ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? This is an endorsement issued to, see, as many as 58 petitioners.
No, you read the directions.
Shall I start from para number 6, my lord?
No. What is that final directions?
Para number 10, my lord. Having regard to the fact that
the order of the appointment of the compensation so and so will have to be considered. ಯಾವುದು page?
Para number 10, page number 164.
164.
Yes, my lord. Having regard to the fact that admittedly the petitions have been regularized on the dates mentioned above, it is necessary to direct the respondent to reckon their seniority from the respective dates on which they are regularized and assign them seniority accordingly. The writ petition accordingly disposed of. So far as the respondent shall make necessary corrections in the seniority list, taking into the consideration the date of which the petition was regularized. Well, what is the endorsement now? The produced it. It is not the seniority list.
No, there is a correction of seniority list, not that said that re-seniority list.
Yes, ma'am, they have to do
Date
correct.
of, see,
Please, ma'am.
date of appointment has to be corrected.
Yes, my lord.
Have they done it?
They have not done, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Where is the correction of date of birth? ಏನಿದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಡಾರ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಎಷ್ಟು?
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಜ್ 4 ಸೇವಾದಷ್ಟತೆಯನ್ನು ನಿಗದಿಪಡಿಸಿ ಮೈ ರೀಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್.
Yes.
ಸೇವಾದಷ್ಟತೆಯನ್ನು ನಿಗದಿಪಡಿಸಿ ಪಾಲಿಕೆ ಹಿಂದಿನ 1971ರ ಮುಖಾವಂತ ಲೆಕ್ಕಾಚಾರ 1971ರ ಮುಖಾವಂತ ಲೆಕ್ಕಾಚಾರ ನಿಯಮಾವಳಿಗಳ ನಿಗದಿಪಡಿಸಿದ ಎಸ್ಎಲ್ಸಿ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಗದಿತ ಇಲಾಖಾ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗಳ ಉತ್ತೀರ್ಣ ಹೊಂದಿದ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮುಂಬಡ್ತಿ ವೇತನವನ್ನು ಈ ಕೆಳಕಂಡಂತೆ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ.
ಮುಂಬಡ್ತಿ ಒಂದರ್ಧದ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೀನಿಯಾರಿಟಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರ್ದು ಯಾರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರ್ರಿ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೀನಿಯಾರಿಟಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ವೇರ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಡ್. ಸಿ ಅವರು ಡೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ನಾವು ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಸೆಡ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಆನ್ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಡೇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೀಇಶ್ಯೂ ದಟ್ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಅವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೀಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That's all, we are not seeking it. Yes. The petitioners are all are working as what, Mr.?
Yes, my lord, there are different, or tax inspector, revenue inspector,
Sir,
group C and group D employees.
Are employees of this court by order dated 5th September 2023 has passed following order 163 ಅಲ್ಲಿ para 11, 12, 13, 14, para 11, 12, 13, 14 ಹಾಕಿ. Learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that in spite of this court has directed the respondent to make necessary correction in the seniority list by taking into the consideration date on which the petitioner was regularized. The respondent has not complied that order passed by this court dated 5th September 2023. Therefore, petitioner has submitted a representation.
Annexure A.
Annexure?
A1 to A3, my lord.
Annexure A1 to A3.
Sorry, A5, my lord.
A5.
Yes.
Since their representation is not considered, the petitioner is before this court. Learned counsel appearing for the corporation submitted that representation submitted by the petitioner will be considered, taking into the consideration of view of the above, without expressing any opinion on the merit of the case, which respondent has to consider. All respondents ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ earlier petition. ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಯಾರ್ರಿ?
224, 234.
Number?
234.
Respondent number 234. Respondent number 224 is directed to consider that representation submitted by the petitioner annexure A1 to A5, taking into the consideration of order passed by this court in WP number 24317 of 2021, disposed of on 5th September 2023 within a period of 3 months from date of receipt of copy of this order.
Till preparation of the senior list, they are promoting one by pick and choose.
Let us
This
see.
court has granted an interim order to till they should not be do before disposal of this petition.
Only the interim order.
Interim order was granted in the earlier first round. On 30th September 2024.
Subject to the result of the writ petition.
Yes, ma'am. Authorized.
ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ರಿಟ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. Now that let us see if they given a promotion, you can seek that your junior has been promoted.
That is what they are doing it. Madam.
After seniority has been fixed, has been promoted.
That is what they are doing it. Madam.
After seniority has been fixed, you will be go up. If your junior has been promoted, then you can
Then
seek
again
your
after-
promotion from the date your junior has been promoted. Yes.
Please.
First let them show your position.
Please.
Yes.
There was an application filed for the impleading application. He may also be taken.
Yes, other
Well,
application.
also, or he is also taking similar relief. He may also be taken into the consideration.
Who is that impleading?
I have filed an application for vacating the interim order.
Yes.
May I request your lordship kindly see the interim order granted by this honorable court, my lord, on 24/4/2025, my lord.
Yes. 24.
24/4/2025, my lord.
Yes. Yes, read.
Now kindly see, my lord, the prayer sought by him and the prayer
Subject that
granted by this
petitioner is
honorable.
not considering for a promotion to the post of a professor, though he was entitled on the ground of pending consideration of this petition. The entitled for the petition of promotion as professor in the department ENT should not be affected. In view of paper response 2 and 3, directed not to proceed with the promotion to the post of professor ENT department respond till next date of it. Certified copy, sir. Yes, what is this?
Now kindly see the interim order sought by him, my lord.
Yes, I saw.
Interim order sought by.
Yes, I see that. Yes.
Yes. Now, my lord, the entire process of promotion, my lord, has been stalled
Yes.
by virtue of the interim order granted by this honorable court.
Yes, what is this?
The petitioner is appointed, my lord, in the year 2000.
Let them given a promotion subject to the result of this writ petition.
that's
How can
all,
that
my lord.
promotion be stalled, mister?
No, my lord, he is not, no, he is not junior, my lord, he is senior. He is senior, he is not entitled for promote the next higher post, my lord.
Why?
He is not entitled. He is a DPR, my lord, he is a report, my lord. Kindly see the DPC, my lord. Annexure G. Annexure G. That is dated.
My lord, whatever
29,
DPC
24,
says, my
my
lord, let them proceed, my lord, not to
Let
say.
me.
If I am entitled for promotion, my lord, they will promote
He
me.
is not entitled. That is the,
My lord, that is not the prayer
That's why,
before the
no, I
court.
can't-
Wait, Mr. Chandrasekhar.
Yes,
Let me
I will
understand
argue.
what is. Yes.
kindly see, my lord, DPC proceedings, my lord, dated. Annexure G. Dated 10/9/2024, my lord.
Annexure?
Annexure G, my lord, page number 49. That is the DPC is held on 10th September. Please come to the page number 53, my lord. That is in respect of promotion to the post of professor in the department of ENT, my lord. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 53 ಅಲ್ಲಿ
53.
ಸಹ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕರ ಹುದ್ದೆಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕರ ಹುದ್ದೆಗೆ ಬಡ್ತಿ ನೀಡುವ ಕುರಿತು ಟಾಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ
Yes.
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ತಿಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ 5th ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಮಿಲಾಡ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಆಸ್ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 15 ಮಿಲಾಡ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮಿತಿಯ ಶಿಫಾರಸು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೆ ತಿಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ಸಹ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕರು ENT ವಿಭಾಗ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಕಳೆದ 4 ವರ್ಷಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಣಾ ವರದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಕೂಲ ಷರಗಳು ನಮೂದಿಸುವುದರಿಂದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತಿಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ಇವರನ್ನು ಮುಂಬಡ್ತಿಗೆ ಡೆಫರ್ ಎಂದು ಮಾಡಲಾಗುವುದೆಂದು ಸಮಿತಿ ನಿರ್ಣಯಿಸಿದೆ. ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಡೆಫರ್ಡ್ ಮಿಲಾಡ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಮೈ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಮಿಲಾಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ಮಿಲಾಡ್. ಜ್ಯೇಷ್ಠತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 2ನೇ ವಾರದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ ಎಸ್ ಸಹ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕರು ENT ವಿಭಾಗ ಇವರು ಬಡ್ತಿ ಕುರಿತು ಚರ್ಚಿಸಲಾಗಿದ್ದು ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಆದೇಶ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಸೋನ್ಸೋ ದಿನಾಂಕ 16/7/2021 ಆದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯಾಯ ವೈದ್ಯಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ವಿಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಮಂಜೂರಾದ ಸಹ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕರ ಹುದ್ದೆಯನ್ನು ENT ವಿಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ವರ್ಗಾವಣೆ ಆದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶಶಿಕಾಂತ್ ನಾಯ್ಕ್ CN ಸಹ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕರು ನ್ಯಾಯಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ವಿಭಾಗ ಇವರು ಉಚ್ಚ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಟ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೋನ್ಸೋ ರಂತೆ ತಡೆಯಾಜ್ಞೆ ತಂದಿರುವುದರಿಂದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ ಎಸ್ ರವರಿಗೆ ENT ವಿಭಾಗದ ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ಹುದ್ದೆಗೆ ಬಡ್ತಿ ನೀಡಲು ನಿಯಮಾನುಸಾರ ಅವಕಾಶ ಪರಿಶೀಲನಾ ಸಮಿತಿಯು ನಿರ್ಣಯಿಸಿದೆ. This writ petition, my lord, is filed by the one Dr. Shashikant, challenging the annexure E, my lord. Kindly see annexure E, page number 47. That is shifting the professor portion.
ತಿಳಿಸಲು ನಾಮನಿರ್ದೇಶಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
This no letter, my lord, challenge before this Honorable Court in writ petition, my lord. This Honorable Court has granted interim order.
DPC said
Only shifting of associate professor.
I thought case pending ಇದೆ. Timmappa cannot be.
Yes, I cannot be.
Sridhar cannot be considered.
See, as a on the ground that the writ petition is filed by.
DPC is not recommended the both of their name.
Yes, my lord.
Now that we are going to give promotion to whom?
Kindly see, my lord, the order of the DPC dated, my lord, 3/3/2025.
No, wait. I will hear Chandrasekhar. Wait, let us see this.
Please.
Melot sir, there was a subsequent DPC in the month
No, you
of.
are Somse.
No.
Chandrasekhar is appearing for you.
No.
You are.
Yes.
For you. Yes, we'll hear that. You are appearing for that
College
institution.
institution. And there was a subsequent DPC.
You are appearing for that
College
institution.
institution. And there was a subsequent DPC, Melots. In that DPC, the name of this respond number 5 was
Where is
considered.
that DPC?
Melots, that is at Melots at page.
Have they produced along with
Please,
that
Melots,
package?
along with my statement of
No,
objections,
they
I
are
have produced
statement,
that.
they have not
Melots.
given the.
I
Alla,
don't
ನಮಗೆ
know
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ
that.
copy.
Statement of objections I have
go through
served,
it.
Melots.
I don't know this how this practice after we came this side.
Melots, that.
When I was hearing other side, you are also raising that. Is there
if
any
that document is available to
any
me, my lord, I
amendment to
go through it and submit.
that civil rules of practice? Let us see, mister. I will hear that.
Yes,
Let me first understand the case. Unless judge understand the case, we can't give any better.
ಸಹ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕರ ಹುದ್ದೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತಿಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ಟಿಡಿ ಇವರು ಸಹ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕರ ಪತ್ರ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ರಂತೆ ನೇಮಕಗೊಂಡು ದಿನಾಂಕ 7/9/2010 ಕರ್ತವ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ವರದಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಪತ್ರ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ರಂತೆ ಇವರ ಪರಿವೀಕ್ಷಣಾವಧಿ ಘೋಷಿಸಲಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಸದರಿಯವರು ಪತ್ರ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ದಿನಾಂಕ 29/5/19 ಕಾಲಬದ್ಧ ವೇತನ ಬಡ್ತಿ ನೀಡಲಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಹಿಂದೆ ದಿನಾಂಕ 10/9/24 ನಡೆದ ಇಲಾಖಾ ಮುಂಬಡ್ತಿ ಸಭೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸದರಿಯವರ ಮುಂಬಡ್ತಿ ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಂಡಿಸಲಾಗಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ ಇವರು ಎದುರಾಗಿ ಮುಂಬಡ್ತಿ ನೀಡುವುದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಜಿ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಇವರ ಕಳೆದ 4 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಇಪಾರ್ ಕಾರ್ಯ ನಿರ್ವಹಣಾ ವರದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಕೂಲ ಶರಗಳು ಇರುವುದರಿಂದ ಮುಂಬಡ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಡೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಲು ಸೂಚಿಸಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅದರಂತೆ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರು ಸದರಿ ವಿಷಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸಿ ನಂತರ ಅದರನ್ವಯ ಸದರಿಯವರ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿರುವ ಹಿಂದಿನ 5 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯ ನಿರ್ವಹಣಾ ವರದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರತಿಕೂಲ ಶರಗಳು ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರಧಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳು ಅನುಮೋದಿಸಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ENT ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟು 1 ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕರ ಹುದ್ದೆ ಮಂಜೂರಾಗಿದ್ದು 1 ಖಾಲಿ ಹುದ್ದೆ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ ಪ್ರಕಟಣೆ ದಿನಾಂಕ 1/1/25 ಅಂತಿಮ ಜ್ಯೇಷ್ಠತಾ ಪಟ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸದರಿಯವರು ಮೊದಲನೆಯರಾಗಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಇವರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಯಾವುದೇ ದೂರು ಅಥವಾ ವಿಚಾರಣೆಗಳು ಬಾಕಿ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವರು ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯ ನಿರ್ವಹಣಾ ವರದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರತಿಕೂಲ ಶರಗಳು ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂಬುದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ DPC was appointed as an associate professor itself initially.
This copy is not served to you.
And copy is served, my lord. Copy is served by the institution, but fifth respondent not served, my lord.
No, not fifth respondent. They have produced that. Now that DPC has recommended his name.
Yes.
Earlier they have said that there is a remorse in that ACR. Now it has been clarified.
Yes.
Now that according to you also, he is the senior.
Yes,
Only your objection is that
Yes,
DPC
having
has
that
deferred.
Deferred, my lord.
Now it has been clarified.
No, not clarified, my lord. The e-power, my lord, has to be rectified within 45 days, my lord. Kindly see the Karnataka Civil Services reforms report.
No, all that will consider.
Yes.
Now DPC has recommended.
Yes.
Let them given a promotion subject to the result. Now we will see.
No, my lord, he has not entitled. He has not entitled. The DPS are manipulated, my lord. That's why, my lord, I sought the clerk for records from the government.
No,
my first prayer is that, my lord.
That
and because, my lord, by giving the representation cut.
Now they are given a finding that is that EPAR has been for the 5 years it has been rectified. It has been confirmed by that secretary.
There is no power or authority to rectify the e-power, my lord.
No, that's
Kind
what,
of rules
no,
10
Mr.
can be seen, my lord.
Then only we can say that. Then only we can say that this order of reviewing authority clarifying these remarks made in that ACR is wrong. Unless you challenge
That's why, my lord,
whatever
these
there in
are
that
all-
records of that department, can I say it is wrong here?
That has all been done by the district minister, my lord. Kindly see the my pleadings, my lord.
That is true, Mr. If you challenge, then we can say whether district minister is power or secretary has power or not. Unless it is challenged, we
In
cannot
spite
say
of,
that.
my lord, in spite of giving the representation, my lord, they have not supplied. Now the right away the before this honorable court, my lord.
Yes.
Now kindly see the, my lord, the endorsement issued by them. So it
Yes.
is pertaining to personal person, that's why you are not supplied. Otherwise, my lord, I would have been challenged that EPA report, my lord.
They have filed it on 24/6/2025.
Yes, my lord. After filing of this repetition.
Huh?
After filing of this repetition.
No, objection is filed on 24/6/2025.
Yes, my lord.
Along with that, they have enclosed that.
Yeah, enclosed.
But you have not challenged that.
No, my lord, if they provided this information as sought by the earlier, my lord,
You
I would have been challenged, my
Till
lord.
then, by interim order, promotion cannot be held.
No, no, my lord, DPC, my lord,
I will.
until the disposal of the repetition, my lord,
Yes.
they can't take any decision to promote the.
Yes,
He's
yes.
illegal person, illegal, he has not having any qualification also.
Yes, IA 2 of 2025 is filed for vacating. This court, while granting an interim order dated 24/4/2025, you are appearing for which respondent, Mr.?
My lords, respondent number 3, my lords.
Respondent number 3, institute has filed statement of objection enclosing the subsequent DPC held on
7/4/2025, my lords.
In that case of that fifth respondent has been considered. DPC has recommended the case of the fifth respondent for a promotion since he is senior most person. The proceedings of the DPC in respect of fifth respondent has been extracted below. At the statement of objection ali page 116 flag ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತಿಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ಟಿಡಿ ಅಂತಿದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. 24/4/2025 is modified. The respondent give promotion to that to the post of professor.
ENT, my lords.
Yes,
The department
professor.
of ENT, professor.
In the department of ENT, if any promotion is given,
Nobody
is
has
subject to that.
Nobody
result.
has given.
Huh? No, if
Still-
any promotion is given, is subject to the result of this petition. Yes. Call this matter along with that is connected. Yes. Yes.
My lord,
Cabinet
serial numbers.
Counsel for respondent number 3 has submitted that this writ petition may be called along with that so and so. Is this matter along with that so and so on 25th, 24th. Last occasion, why it is urgent? Yes, yes. Now he is saying that the competency of that this thing. 24th. 24th is that next Wednesday. Yes. On 24th. Yes, at the request of respondent number 2, as a last chance, please this matter on 24th.
My lord, serial number 7, my lords. I am appearing for the petitioner in this matter, my lords. This matter.
To answer, if nobody is raised an objection, some matter can entertain.
Liberty may be kindly
Yes,
be
yes,
granted, my lords.
yes. At outside, government advocate has raised an objection that petitioner is holding a civil post and he has to approach Karnataka State Administrative Tribunal in view of that, ಅದರದೊಂದು ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ in view of the judgment of apex court so and so, the above writ petition is disposed of, reserving liberty to the petitioner to approach Karnataka Service Administrative Tribunal. Any copy he wants to return, certified copies you have produced.
Please, my lords, I have
Yes,
produced certificate. It may
office
be
is directed to return that certified copies to the petitioner forthwith after retaining the Xerox.
Much obliged.
Wait. 30. 33. Yes, that is, no. This is the case, whether it is outside the center or, that is what that, we don't want any, this thing, it is for vacating, Mr. After heard your senior, only whether it comes to that outside the center or within the center to. Nothing, Mr. It's vacating. We are liberal in granting interim order. We are also very strict in considering vacating. Yes. Also very strict in considering vacating. Yes. We'll consider for vacating. Yes.
38 to 41 ಅರ್ಜನ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಣ್ಣ ನನಗೆ ಬೈಸ್ತೀನಿ ನೀವು ಸಂದೇಶ ಕಲ್ ಬೈಸ್ತೀನಿ
ಇಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ಹೇಳುತ್ತ ಜನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಟೈಮು ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಊಟ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲ
ಸರ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಎಲ್ಫಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ 24 ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ನಾ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3 ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ 31 ಅಲ್ಲೇನಾ?
Sir, 40 is there, not serial number 40. This was just a route. Box ತರ್ತೀರಾ? 40 ಇದೆ. 40 ಇದೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರ ಅನ್ನೋದೊಂದು ಕೆಂಚಯ್ಯ ಅವನೇ
ಬೈಕಿನ ಲೈಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ 3 ಏಳು ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಇದು ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಅದೃಷ್ಟ
ನಾನು ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಫೋಟೋ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು
ఎవరు ఆశించకుండా ఒకటి ఆడ ఒకటి ఇక ఒకటి ముగ్గురు అదే వాళ్ళు తెచ్చుకున్న బట్టి వాళ్ళు కట్టుకుంటారు వేరే అందరికీ బట్టి నీట్ ప్రదేశం బట్టి తెచ్చుకుంటారు బట్ వాళ్ళకి అది దోషం అంటే క్యానల్ చేస్తారు అప్పుడు తీసుకోవాలని అప్పు చెప్పిన పొద్దున్న అంటే ఆ పిలుపు క్యానల్ చెక్కవాలి క్యానల్ ఎందుకు వేసుకుని క్యానల్ చెక్కండి ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ JDL ಹಾಗೂ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಷ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ನಮಗೆ ಸರಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಯಾರು ಇದೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಯಾರು ಇದೆ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್
ಬರ್ತೀನಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ ನನ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ನನ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ನನ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ರಿ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ
ಕಾವೇರಿ ನದಿಯು ಬಂಗಾಳ ಕೊಲ್ಲಿಯನ್ನು ಕಾವೇರಿ ನದಿಯು ಬಂಗಾಳ ಕೊಲ್ಲಿಯನ್ನು ಬೆಲೆ ಕನ್ಯಾಕುಮಾರಿಗಂತೂ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಮಧುರೈಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಅದು ಹೋಯ್ತು ಹೌದಾ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಅದು ಹೋಯ್ತು ಹೌದಾ ತುಂಬಾ ತಿಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
ಆಯ್ತಾ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ
ಬಂಗಾಳ ಕೊಲ್ಲಿಯನ್ನು ಎನ್ನಿಸುತ್ತದೆ ಸರ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಹೌದಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾಳೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಖಂಡಿತ.
ಹಾ.
తీసుకొచ్చిన అసలు రూల్లో
అన్న రేపు నైస్గానే మాట్లాడండి అదే అంటే చూడప్ప నీ కంపెనీని సార్ నమస్తే అయితే ఊట అయితే నీ ఫాదర్ నీ కొడుకు అటాచ్మెంట్ ఉంటే వాళ్ళు చేస్తున్నారు ఆఫీస్ లేదని వాళ్ళు కష్టపడి ఒక నిమిషం అది అది అంటే రోడ్డు నేను అది కొనింది ఎవరు ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ బై చేసింది ఎవరు వాళ్ళు బై చేసింది ఇయర్స్ చేసేది పెరుగుతుంది అది కొనిందే కష్టం వాళ్ళు కొని పెట్టినారు
సార్
వాళ్ళు కొని పెట్టినారు
సార్
అంతే ఇప్పుడు నేను అనేది వాళ్ళ దగ్గర మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు ఆయన అవన్నీ వాడు ఏమైనా ఆయన పని అంటే సొసైటీ వాళ్ళంతా నువ్వే క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు ఇదే ముందే ఇప్పుడు మాకు ఇచ్చే మేము చేసింది నీ వయసులో ఉన్నప్పుడు నీకు అది ఇచ్చేసాను కంపెనీ కోసం ఇప్పుడు ఇంక ముందు నువ్వు బాగా నువ్వు బాగా పెరిగి మాకు చూసాను అంతే మంచి మాటలే మనకి ఏమి మాట్లాడేసి ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್ ಸಾಕು ಸರಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್ ಸಾಕು ಸರಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಬರೇ ಫೈನ್ ಹಾಕೋದೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರಿದ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲ
ಒಂದು ಪುಸ್ತಕದಲ್ಲಿ 2006 ಮಾತ್ರ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಾಲೆಜ್ ನನ್ನ ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಮೂರ್ಖತೆ ಇದೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನೀ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಒಂದೂವರೆ ಪೇಜ್
ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೇಸ್ಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ 3 ಗಂಟೆ ಕೇಸ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಸ್ ವರ್ಕರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಅವರು ಬಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಕೊಡು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಅವ್ರು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನೀನು ಹೋಗಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ
No promotion. Had I been taken back to degree colleges as well as teacher, I also would have got promotion. That is the reason. Like commission person has got government to settle this anomaly because the teachers are going back to degree colleges. Not this non-teaching learning ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಂತ see, for what I mean like, it's not my service conditions or service conditions.
Tapi general lang opinion na.
Government has to take a action by personal inspector. Personal service condition is not included here. Or there is no order as such defined personal.
Total 4 by 4 ನಿಮಿಷ.